So good day everyone. We try to solve we try to find the general solution to the differential equation y double prime minus 2y prime plus 5y is equal to ex cosine 2x. So una hanapin natin yung yh guys, no? Find yh. So gawa tayo ng characteristic equation. Characteristic equation. So yung y double prime gawin natin d squared minus 2y, I mean 2d plus 5, no? Is equal to 0. Kasi hanapin natin yung homogeneous solution. And then, we go to our mode equation. Type natin yung, para mahanap natin yung roots. Parang mali. Ito ba yung nilagay ko? Tignan natin ulit, no? Ano ba nilagay ko doon? Okay, that's negative 2 plus 5. So, the roots are in complex form. 1 plus 2i, no? 1 plus 2i and 1 minus 2i. So, pag ganito ang form, guys, ang ating y homogeneous natin is in the form of y homogeneous is equal to C1. Ang form nito guys is in alpha plus beta I. So, y homogeneous is equal to e raised to alpha t or alpha x C1 cosine beta x plus C2 sine beta x. Tapos, plug in natin yung mga values guys. Alpha natin is 1 at beta natin is 2. So, our y homogeneous is equal to e raised to 1x times the quantity C1 cosine 2x plus C2 sine 2x. Alright guys, no? So, ito yung pinaka-homogeneous equation natin. E raised to x times C1 cosine 2x plus EX C2 sine 2x. Alright. Next, ang gagawin natin is hanapin natin yung particular solution ngayon, yung YP. So, YP natin is in the form of, so next is find YP. Ang YP natin is in the form of EX cosine 2x and 2x. So, that's a case na e raised to, now, itong case na to guys is e alpha x, that's e alpha x guys, no? Times cosine beta x. So, ang d natin, ang value na ilalagay natin is alpha plus beta I. So, alpha natin is tapos in the form na a e raised to alpha x yan guys, no? Times cosine beta x minus b e alpha x sine beta x. So, yan guys, no? Sa previous video, na-explain ko paano gamitin yan. So, gamit tayo ng D operator method. So, y particular is in ex cosine 2x. Alpha natin is 1. Tapos, yung beta natin is 2. Therefore, evaluate natin siya using the value d 1 plus 2i, no? 1 plus 2i. So, ang characteristic equation natin is 2d plus 5. Tama ba? 2d plus 5. So, 2d plus 5. And then, so, paano ba gamitin ng D operator, guys? Or delta operator is, ganyan siya na form. Tapos, i-isolate natin yung y. So, d squared minus 2d Ibig sabihin ng D guys, differentiate, no? So if you watch my video, na-explain ko dun guys, paano yung gamitin guys. So tapos divide natin. Since the coefficient ng EX cosine 2x is 1, so 1 ang ilalagay natin sa numerator, tapos baba natin yung characteristic equation. No? Tapos evaluate natin siya as D is equal to alpha plus beta I. So alpha natin kanina is 1 plus beta natin is 2, no? Sa EX, so E raised to alpha x, tapos B natin, tapos wala natin ito guys, since ito ay complex, so mode complex tayo guys, type natin to 2x plus 5, sulat natin yung 1 plus 2i. Since math error guys, so ibig sabihin yun, we need to differentiate our denominator, no? So because nag-0 siya, so kailangan natin siyang i-differentiate. So differentiate the equation with respect to d, so magiging 2d minus 2, di ba guys? So yan ang ating new denominator guys, no? So 1, ganun pa rin, 2d minus 2, tapos d is evaluated at 1 plus 2i, ganun pa rin. So input tayo sa calculator guys, 2x minus 2, 1 plus 2i. So that's become negative 1/4 i. So since 1/4 i guys, or that's equivalent to 0 yung real part, plus negative 1/4. Negative 1/4 yan guys ha. So negative 1/4 yan guys. Di ko na-realize yan kanina. So, pero negative 1/4 yan. So plus negative 1/4 i. So ating y particular is in this form. A e raised to alpha x times cosine beta x minus b e raised to alpha x sine beta x. So we know na ang alpha natin is 0 since kanina, no? 0. Beta natin is that's negative 1/4, so that's equal to negative 1/4. Sulat natin, so negative 1/4. Tapos alpha natin is 1, and then yung beta natin is 2, no? Kasi e raised to alpha x kanina, alpha natin is 1 times cosine 2x, o beta natin is 2. So ngayon, plug in natin yung mga values. So the resulting y particular natin guys is ganito, no? Alpha natin is 1, beta natin is 2, minus b natin is negative 1/4, so magiging positive yan mamaya. Alpha natin is 1 sine beta x or 2x. So y? So y, since nag-differentiate tayo guys, no? So multiply natin ng x kasi nag-differentiate tayo once. So ang ating final answer is multiply natin ng x. So that becomes 1/4. So tapos kukopyahin natin to guys kasi ito yung y homogeneous natin. So the complete equation natin guys is ex c1 cosine 2x plus ex c2 sine 2x plus, no? Kasi negative 1/4 is positive 1/4, x e raised to x sine 2x. So yan ang sagot sa ating, o yan ang general solution to our differential equation kanina guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you understand guys, no? So yan lang, no? Ang sagot guys. So you can pause the video guys. You can pause the video. Thank you.